Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into creating task checklists within Todoist tasks, your personal productivity secret weapon. The first step is to open Todoist and select the task you want to add a checklist to. This could be any task that requires multiple subtasks to complete. This step is important because it allows you to break down larger tasks into manageable parts, increasing your productivity and reducing overwhelming feelings. Once you have selected your task, click on the Add Subtask option. Now that we've done that, let's start adding our subtasks or checklist items. These can be anything from buy groceries to finish reading chapter 3. Remember, breaking down your tasks into smaller chunks makes them less daunting and easier to complete. The reason we do this is that it's easier to track your progress with a checklist. Every time you complete a subtask, you can tick it off, providing a sense of accomplishment and encouraging you to move on to the next task. Next up, if you want to prioritize some subtasks over others, you can do so by clicking on the priority icon next to each subtask. This helps us because it allows us to focus on the most important tasks first, improving efficiency. Now, you may wonder why it's necessary to prioritize tasks. Let me explain why this matters. When you prioritize your tasks, you ensure that your energy is spent on the most important tasks first. This way, even if you run out of time, you've already accomplished the most crucial parts of your task. To round up the process, once you've added and prioritized all your subtasks, simply click Save. Your task now has a checklist, and you're ready to tackle it piece by piece. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed a daunting task into a manageable checklist inside Todoist. Remember, the key to productivity is breaking down tasks, prioritizing, and ticking them off as you go. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep organizing and keep accomplishing.